Welcome. Today we are breaking down CSAT Comprehension question 43 from 2022. Technique. Step 1 is to scan openly the options briefly. This gives us clue on what question 6. Our focus will be on keywords and overall tone. So which of the following would invariably happen in a country when the demographic dividend has began to operate? So the keyword is demographic dividend. Okay. So option, the number of illiterate people will decrease. So dividend, if it is began working, then illiterate people will reduce is the key. Next, second, the ratio of very old and very young will decrease for a while. For a while it will decrease, it seems. Okay. Option 3, population growth rate will quickly stabilize. So population growth rate will quickly stabilize. So we'll see the comprehension now. Let's read each option that we have completed. Now we will read the passage. So watch how certain phrases in a passage align with possible answers. The demographic dividend, which has begun in India and is expected to last another few decades, is a great window of opportunity. The demographic dividend is basically a swelling in the working age population, which conversely means that relative ratio of every young and very old will for a while be on decline. This is what one of the key, right? From the experience of Ireland and China, and we know that this can be a source of energy and an engine of economic growth. Okay. The demographic dividend tends to arise a nation's savings rate, since in any nation it is the working age population that is main saver. And since the savings rate is an important driver of growth, this should help elevate our growth rate. So growth also will increase. However, the benefits of demographic dividend depends on the quality of the working age population. So question is quality. And this implies bringing back the importance of education, acquisition of skills and human capital. So they were talking about these 3 points. One is what is demographic dividend and how it will help. And third one is it is education and skill is important, right? So let's now analyze with the option to figure out the answer. Okay. So first thing, the number of illiterate people will reduce. We didn't talk about it in the passage. So 1 is wrong. So with that itself you are able to get the second option as right. That is the ratio of very old and very young will decrease for a while. This they mentioned clearly. Right. That's it. Practice this approach for a faster comprehension solving in CSAT.